Hello, class. A very good morning to everyone. How are you all? I hope you are fine and studying well at your homes. Yes, you are studying now, and I must appreciate everyone who have done the reading, and they have done fantastic job, and it is very good. I appreciate it, and I appreciate the parents also who are putting their great efforts on their children. Keep it up and keep learning. Okay, as in the previous session, we have started our chapter and we have seen that Chiku is a mother of 3 little puppies. What is the puppy's name? Very good. Chinu, Bhalu, and Topu. And what happens? They were They used to play on the jump on the car, play on the streets, and in the afternoon they would sleep under the parked car. Once they moved to the house which was empty, nobody lived there, and suddenly the thundering and lightning started and the rain comes. So when the rain comes so heavily that the water was filled with the house was filled with the water, and it was a scene of a flood. And seeing all this, Chiku was very much afraid that how she will save her puppy. So we'll continue the chapter. So without wasting any time, let's get into it. Chiku was brave. Okay, Chiku was very strong and brave. मतलब उसको डर नहीं लगा. Chiku was brave. She pulled her pups together and gave each one a leg. Okay, she pulled the pup. She just she see in the picture, she just stood on the window and she just licked her pups. She just loved her children. How your mother loved you, by kissing you, by hugging you, same way she also kissed her pup. Then she quickly jumped to the window pane. Okay, then she quickly jumped on the window pane. She see like this. She is standing here. Chiku held Chinu's and Bhalu's neck and pulled them out of the water. Now first what she did, she pulled the Chinu and Bhalu's neck and she pulled out them from the water. Now seeing this, Topu started howling loudly. Seeing all this, that her mother is taking Chinu and Bhalu out, and he got afraid that what will happen to me. He started crying there. Then what happened? Chiku bent towards him and pulled him out too. Now what happened? Chiku just bent down and pulled him out too also. She taken him also out. Now come to the next page. The 4 of them quickly ran out of the house. Now what happened? That 4 of them quickly ran from the house and went into the shade of a nearby shop. Okay, they went to the shade in the nearby shop where they can be saved. They did not stay there. Okay, there it was not safe area, so they came to the safe place. Chiku licked and hugged her puppies. Okay, what happened? That mother Chiku just licked and kissed and hugged the puppies, her children. She just loved them. She was overjoyed to see them happy again. Now she was too very happy seeing them happy again. Okay, so this was the end of the story where we have learned that how mother care for their children. The moral of the lesson is that if there is any difficult situation, it is only your mother who helps you out. It is your father also, but mother are very sensitive toward their children. They cannot see their children in the burden or in any disturbance. So they are everything to us. So we should help our mother every time and love our mother. Say thank you to our mother every time, because she is only behind you for everything. So it is the end of the chapter, and now we will see the word meanings. I will tell the word meanings. You have to write the word meanings in copy. Clear? And I will show you how to write. You have to make 3 columns, same way you have written in the previous chapter. We will write the word meanings, their Hindi word meanings, and you will make the sentences from the word meaning. I will give you the words, you will make the sentence by yourself, and again you will do the reading of the chapter. Clear everyone? Reading of the chapter and send it to me. Clear? Okay. Thank you for listening me. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay at your homes. Have a very wonderful day. Thank you, everyone.